Alright, so this is your last reaction, reaction G. It's going to be slightly different from your protocol, so make sure you watch this video carefully. From your black bin, you should have this plastic cup, these two thumbtacks, V9 battery, and I'm going to add to it steel wool. Right? You don't need this pipette. Let's move it out of the screen. So the first thing you're going to do is that when you first get these, you'll notice that your thumbtacks are actually white here. It's painted white, so you need to get that paint off. Otherwise, this reaction isn't going to work as well. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your thumbtack and very carefully just wipe it on the steel wool to remove the paint. Right? Once you've removed the paint, it should look kind of like that. Silvery, good amounts of surface area on it. Awesome. So you've done that for both of these. So just plain thumbtacks with the metals exposed. You're going to poke a hole using the thumbtacks so that you can connect your battery on it. I'm going to do this without gloves. This one you don't necessarily need gloves, but there are other people around, probably behind you, still working on chemicals. Right? So don't do what I'm doing right now. Keep your gloves on. So I'm going to poke one thumbtack kind of in the center like that. Then I'm going to take my V9 battery and match it up and try to figure out where the other hole needs to go. Right? You can mark it with your Sharpie, and then you're going to place the second thumbtack on it. You might have to push kind of hard. I already poked holes in this one. Right, so now you have something like this, and it should match up to your V9 battery, right, or 9 voltage battery. Once you've done this, you're going to go to the sink and you're going to add water until it covers the top of these. You can even go a little further, so I would go somewhere near the top of the lid, about right there. Then you're going to place these ends, your positive and negative ends of the battery, on to these ends, and you're going to push hard for a while. So you're going to push hard. There should be water in here. Then you're going to make your observations, right? Specifically, you're going to try to look for what's happening right here, where my ring finger is pointing. So in the cup, there should be something going on with the water and the metals. Right? So that's what you're looking for. That's your hints. When you're done with this lab, you can toss this. This goes back in your bin, and this goes back in your bin. Right? From the earlier videos, I already talked about what can go in the sink and what can't go in the sink. Basically, all your plastic pipettes and everything still need to go back into your black bin. Right? Because I have a shortage of those. And beakers should be clean and dry. Well plates should be clean and dry. Test tube should be clean and dry. Everything goes back here, cleaned and dried. And that's pretty much it. Right, good luck with your experiments. Once you're done with cleanup, you can start sharing your observation data, working on post-lab questions, or reviewing pre-lab questions if you haven't finished those. Right, that's pretty much it for now.